Mushroom Swiss beef patties. Made with Swiss cheese and mushrooms. Ayun, at least may veggies naman siya. Diba? Veggies. Ayun. Ang masarap ah. Okay, so yan na yung aking burger. Cheese, mushroom, and beef. And of course, kinailangan kong gumawa ng aking kale salad, of course, with plums and nectarines, peaches. Ayun. Meron naman akong konting dessert. Konti lang. Sayang naman kung hindi ko pakainin. Ang dami kong pagkain. So I have my pasta, some eggs, and veggies burger pate. Ayun. Ayan. Veggies yan. So, that's my diet. I have to go with my diet. Sardines. Yung dilatang malaking sardines. Diba?